हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू फोकस एंड फन। जब मैं पर्दे हटाती हूँ और आसमान देखती हूँ, आई रिमाइंड माई सेल्फ टुडे इज़ अ फ्रेश स्टार्ट। और दिल में बस एक ही थॉट होती है, स्टे कॉन्सिस्टेंट। देन आई डिड माई स्किन केयर। आफ्टर दैट आई क्लीन माई स्टडी स्पेस। अ क्लीन स्पेस क्रिएट्स अ क्लियर माइंड। जब टेबल ऑर्गेनाइज होता है, फोकस ऑटोमेटिकली इम्प्रूव होता है। डिसिप्लिन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम स्मॉल हैबिट्स, not from big speeds. Then I made a simple to-do list. Realistic goals, no pressure, just priority. Next, I studied maths, polynomials. Sometimes maths feel hard, but when you understand the concept, it becomes interesting. I focus more on understanding than memorize. Every solved question builds confidence. Consistency always wins over last-minute stress. After that, I continued with history. History teaches more than facts. It teaches patience, struggle, and growth. When I study with books, I feel more prepared, not just for exam, but for life. Step by step, subject by subject. That's how real preparation happens. Prayed. Because real peace doesn't come from productivity, it comes from connection with Allah. Then I switched it to NCERT reading. Reading slowly helps me understanding better. Highlighting important lines, making revision easier. It's not about rushing chapters, it's about building strong basics. And then the most peaceful part of the day, Iftar. After a productive day, staying calmly and breaking the fast feels special. It reminds me that balance is important. Work hard, pray sincerely, reset peacefully. Productivity with gratitude feels different.